And good morning, West Michigan. Waking up to a beautiful sunrise. I'm Fox 17 weather-ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer taking a live look out over the Tulip City. Of course, Tulip Time festivities are well underway. Lots of folks enjoying what has been a cool kickoff to the festival this year anyway. And we're going to continue to be a little cooler than average for the next couple of days. But by the middle of the week, we pivot back toward highs around or a touch above 70 degrees with a nice warming trend that'll take us into a busy weekend that'll finish up with Mother's Day a week from today. Looking out over downtown Grand Rapids, US 131, the Ford Freeway interchange, 40 degrees in Grand Rapids and Allegan, 39 now in Hastings, 41 in Battle Creek, 43 from Kalamazoo to Coldwater. We made it to 59 degrees yesterday, 6 degrees cooler than our average high at 65 degrees. And today will likely be another day with highs only in the upper 50s to low 60s. So another cooler than average day. We kicked off the month back on Thursday with a high of 72, 62 the high Friday, and then yesterday again many areas not making it out of the 50s. So what are we tracking for you? Well, if you watched the Kentucky Derby yesterday, that same storm system that produced the muddy track conditions, well, that system is going to be impacting our weather for the next couple of days. So overall, clouds will be thickening up from south to north. It'll be breezy, cool, with showers also developing from south to north. Dry, milder weather does return starting midweek with high temperatures up to around the 70-degree mark. Now today we're looking at the satellite radar composite, and you can notice off to the south, right along the Michigan-Indiana state line, we're looking at scattered rain showers. And once again, we will be looking at those on and off rain showers gradually starting to migrate northward from south to north. Low pressure center off to our south. We've got high pressure center to our north. High pressure center, we've got that clockwise circulation, low pressure, the counterclockwise circulation, and once again pivoting in that northeasterly wind, which is again going to make it difficult for a huge rush of moisture to come in. Computer models trying to indicate that we'll see the rain in most areas up to I-96 by around noon. I do think that most of us again are going to be dry at least through mid to late morning, with that rain eventually moving in later on this afternoon. Few rain showers will be possible during the day tomorrow as well. Not a washout. I think the widespread rain, if there is widespread rain, will come through tonight during the overnight period into early in the day tomorrow. Now we'll look at that super 7-day forecast with high temps around the 60-degree mark today, low 60s tomorrow, mid 60s on Tuesday. Tuesday will start out with a few rain showers, and then those rain showers will be pressing off toward the eastern part of the state as we head through Tuesday afternoon into the early evening hours. So we should see decreasing cloudiness Tuesday afternoon. 70 degrees on Wednesday with a return to more in the way of sunshine. Upper 60s on Thursday, 70 Friday, into the low to mid 70s on Saturday. Of course, Saturday, so many activities from the Amway Riverbank run through downtown Grand Rapids to, of course, the big parade of bands at Tulip Time in Holland. And of course, then if we extended this out one more day, that would take us into Mother's Day Sunday, with again the potential for high temperatures to reach the mid 70s with a good bit of sunshine. The temperature outlook, this takes us right through May 17th. This is the 8 to 14 day outlook. A lot of warm air on the map across much of the central and northern United States, and that does include the Great Lakes region. High temperatures likely will be topping out well into the 70s.